Well, hey friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Wildcard Wednesday video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the Pick a Season stamp set that is free with purchase for the celebration for the month of February. I am making 4 cards here and I'm going to show you how to put them all together. I've inked up the tree trunk with pecan pie and I'm daubing on early espresso ink with my finger dauber, and I'm going to stamp that down in the bottom center of these rectangles of basic white. So I'm going to do that with all 4, and then I'll come in with sort of some grass stamp, and we're going to make a little grassy knoll that the tree is on, and it's going to be a super cute little different tree to celebrate different seasons, but the seasons are not what you're used to. So I did want to talk to you a little bit about my rewards program, or the loyalty rewards that I give for customers who shop with me. Recently I've been asked if I'm still doing it, if when the rewards system changes for Stampin' Up, will I still be doing it? And the answer is yes. I truly believe that my customers who have chosen to select me as their demonstrator deserve a little goodie, and you can save up your points and get a free stamp set. And if you hit the threshold, which is $50 with me, you will get a little free thing in the mail along with your free card kit. So I'm not going to change any of my rewards. So moving along. So I just wanted to clear that up. Jennifer, if you're listening, yeah, I'll still do it. And I'm happy to do it. Pleasure to do it. Okay, so I have garden green here, and I am inking up the grass, and I'm making a little grassy land here. And this one, I'm going to vary them differently. So there's going to be some with grass one way, maybe just a little bit for the other. And I'm just trying to create interest. And to me, when there's more than one color, when there is shading, that to me shares that, you took your time. It's a little bit of creative influence. It's not like I'm overthinking this, but it is kind of nice that, it does kind of look real. We know it's not real, but it does look a little different, each one of them. Okay, so here I did 2 of the same color tree branches or tree leaves, and I'm using granny apple green and shaded spruce, and I'm daubing on the shaded spruce. So I'm always inking up with the lighter color and finger daubing with the darker color. And this just happens to be my favorite color combo for leaves. I use this for holly. I just love the combination between the two. It's a marriage made in heaven. Granny apple green, shaded spruce. Try it out. You'll love it. I also did another color, or another 2 colors for the next 2. And that will be lemon lime twist and old olive. And I will say this, when I was in Italy, I noticed what color old olive trees are, and they did a really good job in the old olive because it looks exactly like one side of the trees. The other side is kind of silvery, I guess. But yeah, those olive trees look like old olive. And here we are. We have inked up with the lighter color, which is lemon lime twist, and then old olive. It's almost kind of got like a brown tone to it. I don't know what it is. Really works well with this combo and with this tree specifically. So the third one I'm going to redo, and that's because I made a mistake in color choice. Yes, I know it doesn't happen very often, but sometimes I choose wrong. And then I'm committed, and then I maybe will go off camera and fix it. So that's exactly what I did here. And I'll show you the difference. So these are the Easter eggs. And I chose lemon lolly because that to me is an Easter color. It was far too light. You can't see what's going on. Although I look at it now as I'm editing this video, it didn't look too bad. I might I could have left it, but you know, I am my father's daughter, and I happen to like being a little bit more perfect than that. Okay, so this is Melon Mambo, and these are the hearts, and look so cute. So we're celebrating Valentine's Day with this particular card, and there will be Summertime, which is this one, and we are using Berry Burst, which is like the favorite pink right now. I'm really digging this pink. I mean, close runner up would be Petunia Pop, but this, I love Berry Burst. Love, love, love it. All right. And then the third one, just plain garden green, the same green that I used with the grass. And these are little clover leaves. So we are celebrating St. Patty's Day. And it's funny because I don't have any greetings for St. Patty's Day. So I used the Country Flowers stamp set, and there's a sentiment in there with the word lucky. It says, so lucky to know you. And how lucky was I to actually find that? So Sunny Days comes from Storybook Life. It's a new stamp set. Kind of comes with, some of the scrapbooks. But yeah, really nice big sentiment, and I used it on a card. And I'm also going to use the Easter blessings as well. So that is for this particular Easter egg one. And I will say that here, I will show you in a minute what the other one looks like. This is Happy Valentine's Day, and that comes from Hugs for Love. It's the stamp set that coordinates with that fun punch. So here's the other Easter card front, and I used Flirty Flamingo for that. So I backed all of the paper, or the card fronts, with some pattern paper, and it was usually the opposite. Either was old olive or shaded spruce or lemon lime twist or what have you. But you're going to be able to see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video see more section in YouTube, or in the supplies section on my blog post. And of course, those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store, where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. You're going to ask me about this designer series paper, and I remembered it is called Wildflower Birthday Specialty Designer Series paper. It has leaves on it. It was kind of perfect, folks. So some of the sentiments, like the so lucky for you and Valentine's Day, I was able to stamp right next to the tree. But this one, I just fussy cut out, and I put dimensionals on the back side. And I cut out the fussy cutting for you, so you didn't take all your sunny days to watch me do, the thing that you might not like to do. Anyway, so those two cards down, this is the third one. It's Valentine's Day, and it does go very nicely with the lemon lime twist. And the last one is the Easter blessings, and this was I felt that it looked better, the Easter eggs in Flirty Flamingo, which is also an Easter color, I gotta say. And it just says Easter blessings. And Easter's coming up after Valentine's Day. So that is my 4 cards for today. Holy cow. How about that? Stay for the stills. Thank you so much for spending time with me today, for all the comments you leave, for the thumbs up, and all the YouTube-y things. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider, as it really helps my small channel grow. Thanks again for watching, and bye for now.